Top headlines for the day.
As predicted by trade analyst Taran Adarsh, Ajay Devgan's latest release Shivai has shown a massive growth on Monday. The film recorded its highest box office collection of Rs 17.35 crores on the first day of the post-Diwali week. An excited Taran tweeted, #Shivai shows massive growth on Monday, superb jump. Friday 10.24 crores, Saturday 10.06 crores, Sunday 8.26 crores and Monday 17.35 crores. Total Rs 45.91 crores. India Biz. Looks like this humongous collection banished away all the Monday blues of the filmmaker Ajay Devgan, and he has definitely got a breather. If the film continues to have a similar collection at the box office tomorrow, then it break even for Ajay, which will be an audience verdict for Shivai's acceptance. With so much riding on the film, it looks like Ajay can now raise a toast for Shivai.
It's the silver jubilee year of Ajay Devgan, the action Jackson of Bollywood. And in these 25 years of his in Bollywood, Ajay has not only managed to cement his position in Bollywood, but has also built his own loyal fan following, who find some connect to love their Bollywood star. But we at Bollywood Spy have not one but 10 solid reasons for everyone to love Ajay. The first being, Ajay is the original stuntman of Bollywood. None before him dared to his stunts by himself. Ajay is a complete family man who can also double up as a perfect prankster. You know what? Not only is Ajay a friend to bank on, a doting father, but he's also a very humble person who prefers to stay away from controversies. He's one hell of an actor who's good at intense and comedy roles. And if feels that someone is being wronged, then he'll stand next to him right till the end. Now, सब सुनने के बाद कौन अजय से नहीं करेगा प्यार, है ना? Not every film star has a fan following like that of Salman Khan. Recently, Salman was seen extending his support to warring films Ae Dil Hai Mushkil and Shivai. And within a few days, a fan of Salman took us back to the days when Ajay-Salman romance was at its peak by uploading a London Dreams promotional video, जिसमें Bhaijan was seen calling Ajay a funny man. So if you think Ajay is a serious and a calm fellow, then this can be a revelation for you. For Bhaijan was not only seen calling him funny, but also claimed that Ajay is not that serious as the image that he has created of himself. On the contrary, Ajay is quite a prankster and jovial on the sets. Well, looks like the 7-year-old video gives us a perfect throwback moment to indulge in. What say people? Ajay Devgan and Reliance Entertainment had barely gotten over the fact that KRK had tweeted the opening scene of Shivai. और अब खबर मिली है कि the entire film of Shivai and Ae Dil Hai Mushkil have been leaked on Facebook. However, Facebook itself took down the leaked content from the page. Watch every movie within a few seconds after it was uploaded by the admin because of copyright issues. However, by the time the content completely done away with, there had been multiple shares. Despite the post mentioning only Shivai, we found certain comments mentioning Ae Dil Hai Mushkil. Looks like Kejo ki film Bhi Hui Thi leak. Both the films were Diwali releases, and this comes as a lethal blow to their box office collections. It's a shame that the country still hasn't been able to put laws into place to take care of piracy. Yaad rakhiye, piracy is a crime, and it's really shameful if you support it. Oh my god! All doubts have been dispersed and it has been officially confirmed that Salman Khan was not approached for Kumar Taurani's Race 3. There was a buzz doing the rounds that Sallu Bhai would replace Saif Ali Khan for the role of a villain in Race 3. It was also rumored that Salman Mia has changed many things in the script of Race 3. Well, it seems that all air has already been cleared, breaking the hearts of many Salman fans. But not to fret. Salman will never vex his fans so soon. He's more than excited for his upcoming Kabir Khan thriller Tube Light. In between all these, he's also hosting the small screen controversial reality show Bigg Boss Season 10. Well, there's a lot of bhaigiri around. What do you guys think about the whole race revelation? Do share your thoughts with us in the comment box below. Major heartthrob Ranbir Kapoor is in all praise for his legendary co-star Aishwarya Rai. The Barfi actress said that Ash is like a goddess, and we cannot agree more. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan is playing the role of an elderly maiden in Ae Dil Hai Mushkil, who is courted by a young lover played by Ranbir Kapoor himself. Ranbir, on being praised for his chemistry with Aishwarya, promptly said that all is credited to Aishwarya herself. He also indicated that anyone posing with the B-Town goddess will undoubtedly start to look stunner because wo hai hi itni khoobsurat. The rock star of Bollywood has also said that Ash always does character-based films which add a star to her evergreen elegance and grace. Ranbir Kapoor and Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, the Pataka duo, are breaking boundaries at the box office and has filled this Diwali with loads of excitement and buzz. So, what do you guys think about it? Are you a Salmaniac who can go to any extent to meet Bhaijan? Well, then हमारे पास है आपके लिए एक न्यूज़. अगर आपके पास है बड़ा बिल, आप जाएंगे सलमान से मिल. जी हाँ, you've heard us right. Salman has come up with a unique marketing strategy, One Big Bill Contest, for his clothing line Being Human. This is a simple contest where the participants just have to do a simple thing: to shop for anything at the Being Human store between October 27th to November 2nd from any of the Being Human outlets across India. The person with the highest bill amount wins. Yes, well, Bhaijan ke fans, go for it. For ऐसा मौका कहाँ मिलेगा? So all you Bhaijan friend, go shop at the Being Human outlets till you drop. After all, bill का मामला है Bhaijan के fans. Superstar actor Salman Khan has rocked our world as always. Now that Dabangg Khan owns a production house called Salman Khan Films, he's backing a lot of his own movies in collaboration with directors like Kabir Khan. He was asked if, along with his own films, he would also support independent directors and their movie stories. Khan Bhai said that he would love to support new and independent talents provided that they are extraordinarily good and impressive. But as of now, he is supporting himself. Yes, Salman Khan as of now is busy in some self-enhancement. Under the banner of Salman Khan Films, which was started off in the year 2014, films like Dr. Gabby was co-produced, and Salman Khan hit projects like Bajrangi Bhaijaan and Hero was successfully backed by Salman Bhai himself. As of now, Sultan of Bollywood is high on his upcoming Kabir Khan movie Tube Light and is also hosting Bigg Boss Season 10. Do you really have a dull moment when you are in a joint family? जी नहीं, खास करके अगर आपकी family है as cool as Bhaijan's. Yes, you heard us right. Salman जो पहुंचे Goa with full family had the best of both the world. Well, by that we mean उन्होंने गुजारी अगर family के साथ कुछ moments. Then later, he was also seen chilling with his friends in Goa. So जहाँ बहन अर्पिता Instagram में कर रही post family moments, Salman was also seen posting late night pictures with his boy zone in Goa. On Diwali night, Bhaijan tweeted a rather lovely photo of his boy gang, including Suraj Pancholi and DJ Billy. Bhaijan's tweet read, DJ Billy in the house. Looks like Salman's move to celebrate Diwali away from Mumbai is a welcome change. For once he returns back from the lazy Diwali break, he'll be shooting for YRF's Tiger Zinda Hai, co-starring Katrina Kaif and directed by Ali Abbas Zafar.
Twitter slams Ae Dil Hai Mushkil. Well, looks like the Aam Janta has definitely not fallen in love with Karan Johar's Ae Dil Hai Mushkil. The film's box office collection has been dismal, with the film's business crashing down to rupees 9.10 crores on its third day. And now we have a series of Twitter attack on Ae Dil Hai Mushkil. The film, which did look promising before its release, has somehow failed to win the audience, it seems. With a look at its tweets, it can be easily understood that the audience has had enough of visual candy-flossed romance and music. According to many tweets, Ajay climbing the mountains in Shiva is far better than what Ae Dil has to offer. लगता है करण को अब कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग करना पड़ेगा जो ऑडियंस के दिल में कुछ अच्छा कर दे, क्योंकि ये पब्लिक है, ये सब जानती है।